With an ear for detail, these talented practitioners awaken our senses through the magic of sound. Here are the nominees for Best Sound in a Documentary.
Justice! What do we want? Now! What do we want? Justice! When do we want it now?
And I'm here to...
5 years later, my mother was run over by a train.
And the AACTA Award goes to Wayne Pashley, Life in Colour with David Attenborough, Episode 1, Seeing in Colour.
Thank you to the Academy for this wonderful honour. And on behalf of all the sound team on Life in Colour, I'd like to thank our two directors, Adam Geiger and Sally Thompson. I'd also like to thank our wonderful producing team, Carolyn Johnson, Colette Boudry, Stephen Dunleavy and Shamila Choudhury. I'd also like to thank Libby Villa, our post-production supervisor, and our magnificent composer, James Dorman. And of course, the incomparable Sir David Attenborough for his magnificent narration and his insights on how animals use colour in the natural world. Thank you so much.